Hello there, wonderful seniors. Are you ready to explore how technology can make your lives healthier and more enjoyable? It's true. From staying connected with loved ones to managing medications, there's a whole world of tech tools designed just for you. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to benefit. In this video, we'll uncover simple ways technology can empower you to take charge of your health and well-being. We'll explore user-friendly apps, gadgets, and online resources that are both fun and easy to use. Get ready to ditch any tech worries you might have. We're about to embark on an exciting journey to discover how technology can make your golden years even brighter. We understand that technology can sometimes seem intimidating, especially if you didn't grow up with it. But trust us, it's much simpler than you might think. This video is all about breaking down those tech barriers and showing you how easy and enjoyable it can be. Think of us as your friendly tech guides, here to demystify the digital world. We'll walk you through every step of the way, using clear language and simple instructions. No jargon, no complicated manuals, just straightforward advice and practical tips. So, put on your learning caps, grab your favorite beverage, and get ready to become a tech-savvy senior. We promise you'll be amazed at how technology can enrich your life and empower you to live your healthiest, happiest life yet. One of the most wonderful benefits of technology is its power to bridge distances and keep us connected with the people we love. Imagine seeing your grandchildren's smiling faces and hearing their laughter, no matter how far away they live. With video calling apps, staying in touch with family and friends is easier than ever. These apps allow you to see and hear your loved ones in real time, making you feel like you're right there in the same room. Sharing stories, celebrating special occasions, or simply catching up has never been more enjoyable. But it's not just about staying connected with family. Technology can also help you build new relationships and combat social isolation, which is especially important for seniors living alone. Online communities, social media groups, and virtual events offer fantastic opportunities to meet like-minded people, share your interests, and make new friends. Technology has revolutionized the way we manage our health, putting more control in our hands than ever before. Remember the days of carrying around bulky pill boxes and struggling to remember medication schedules? Well, those days are gone. With medication reminder apps, you can easily input your medications and set personalized reminders, ensuring you never miss a dose. Some apps even allow you to track your medication history and order refills with just a few taps. Beyond medication management, technology offers a wealth of resources to help you track your fitness progress, monitor your vital signs, and make healthier lifestyle choices. From fitness trackers that count your steps and monitor your heart rate to nutrition apps that help you plan balanced meals. You'll have all the tools you need to live a healthier, more active life. Technology can be truly empowering, especially for seniors who may face mobility challenges or require assistance with daily tasks. Imagine having the world at your fingertips, from ordering groceries online to controlling your home environment with just your voice. With online shopping, you can purchase anything you need from the comfort of your home, eliminating the need for strenuous trips to the store. You can even have groceries delivered right to your doorstep. Smart home devices can further enhance your independence by allowing you to control your lighting, temperature, and appliances with ease. Imagine turning on the lights or adjusting the thermostat without even getting up from your chair. These technological advancements not only make life more convenient but also provide a sense of safety and security, allowing you to live more independently and confidently. Remember those days of sticky notes plastered all over the fridge trying to keep track of your medications? Thankfully, technology has come to the rescue with medication reminder apps. These handy apps act as your personal pharmacists, ensuring you never miss a dose and stay on top of your health. One of the best things about these apps is their simplicity. You simply input your medications, including the dosage and frequency, and the app does the rest. It will send you timely reminders, so you never have to worry about forgetting a pill. But wait, there's more. Many medication reminder apps go beyond simple reminders. They can track your medication history, send you refill alerts, and even connect you with your pharmacy for easy prescription ordering. Some apps even allow you to share your medication information with family members or caregivers, providing an extra layer of support and peace of mind. With medication reminder apps, managing your medications has never been easier or more convenient. Want to get moving but need a little motivation? Fitness trackers are here to be your personal cheerleaders, encouraging you to stay active and reach your goals. These nifty devices track your steps, monitor your heart rate, and are surprisingly easy to use. Set daily goals, monitor your progress, and even challenge friends or family to friendly competitions. With a fitness tracker by your side, you'll have all the motivation and information you need for a healthier, more active life. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Nutrition apps make it easy and fun to discover delicious recipes and track your meals. Find thousands of healthy recipes, complete with nutritional info and simple instructions. Track your calories and macronutrients to stay on top of your goals. With these tools, healthy eating is more accessible and enjoyable than ever. Remember the days of battling traffic, navigating crowded waiting rooms, and rearranging your entire schedule just to see your doctor? Well, say hello to the future of healthcare telemedicine. Now you can have doctor's appointments from the comfort of your own home, using your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Telemedicine connects you with healthcare providers through secure video calls, allowing you to discuss your health concerns, receive medical advice, and even get prescriptions without ever leaving your home. It's like having a doctor's office right at your fingertips. Imagine waking up feeling a little under the weather. Instead of dreading the thought of getting dressed and driving to the doctor's office, you can simply schedule a telemedicine appointment. You'll have a face-to-face conversation with your doctor, just like you would in person. They can assess your symptoms, answer your questions, and provide personalized recommendations, all through the magic of video technology. So, how does telemedicine actually work? It's surprisingly simple. First, you'll need to check if your doctor or healthcare provider offers telemedicine services. Many healthcare systems and insurance plans now embrace this convenient option. Once you've confirmed that telemedicine is available to you, you'll typically need to download a secure app or access a website. These platforms are designed with user-friendliness in mind, often with large buttons, clear instructions, and intuitive navigation. When it's time for your appointment, you'll simply log into the platform and enter a virtual waiting room. Don't worry, you won't find any outdated magazines or uncomfortable chairs here. You can relax in the comfort of your own home, perhaps with a cup of tea in hand, while you wait for your doctor to join the video call. Now you might be wondering, is telemedicine right for me? What if I'm not tech-savvy? Well, rest assured, telemedicine is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Most platforms offer simple instructions and even have customer support teams ready to assist you if you encounter any difficulties. They can walk you through the process step by step, making sure you feel comfortable and confident using the technology. You might also be curious about what types of appointments can be handled via telemedicine. While it's not suitable for every medical situation, telemedicine is surprisingly versatile. You can use it for follow-up appointments, medication refills, routine checkups, mental health counseling, and even managing chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease. Remember the days when watches simply told time? Well, technology has taken a giant leap forward, and now we have wearable devices that act as our personal health coaches right on our wrists. These devices, often called fitness trackers or smartwatches, come in various styles to suit your taste and comfort, but don't let their sleek designs fool you. They are packed with features to help you monitor your health and stay motivated. One of the most appealing aspects of wearable devices is their ease of use. You simply wear them on your wrist, and they start tracking your activity automatically. No need to fiddle with buttons or navigate complicated menus. They seamlessly blend into your daily routine, providing valuable insights into your health without any extra effort. Think of them as your silent health companions, always there to lend a helping hand. So, what exactly can these little wrist companions track? You might be surprised by their versatility. Most wearable devices track your steps, distance covered, and calories burned throughout the day, giving you a clear picture of your activity levels. Seeing your progress displayed in real time can be incredibly motivating. Many devices allow you to set daily goals and celebrate your achievements, making fitness fun and rewarding. But wearable devices go beyond basic activity tracking. They can also monitor your heart rate throughout the day, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. This information can help you optimize your workouts, ensure you're exercising within a safe range, and even detect irregularities that might warrant a conversation with your doctor. And for those who want to improve their sleep, some wearable devices can track your sleep patterns, including the duration and quality of your sleep. Smartwatches go beyond fitness tracking, offering convenience and connectivity right on your wrist. Get messages, check emails, and answer calls, no need to reach for your phone. Stay organized with calendar reminders and notifications. Personalize your watch face and bands to match your style. Who knew so much power could fit on your wrist? Mary, a vibrant 78-year-old, had always cherished her family, but living miles apart from her children and grandchildren left her feeling a bit isolated. She missed their laughter, their stories, and the simple joy of being together. Then, her daughter introduced her to the world of video calling. At first, Mary was hesitant. Technology felt a bit daunting, and she worried about learning something new at her age. But with her daughter's patient guidance, she soon discovered that video calling was much simpler than she had imagined. The first time Mary saw her grandchildren's faces light up on the screen, she knew this technology was something special. They read books together, showed off their artwork, and shared stories as if they were in the same room. Mary's heart soared with each call, feeling a renewed sense of connection and joy. Video calling wasn't just a technological marvel, it was a lifeline to her loved ones, bridging the distance and filling her days with laughter and love. John, a retired engineer, noticed his energy fading after 70. His doctor suggested a fitness tracker, and John decided to try it. Tracking his steps motivated him to walk more, and soon, his energy soared. With technology, John rediscovered his love for fitness and embraced a healthier life. Helen, a spirited 80-year-old, valued her independence but found it increasingly challenging to manage everyday tasks as she got older. Grocery shopping became a daunting chore, and she worried about burdening her family for help. Then she discovered the convenience of online shopping. With a little help from her granddaughter, Helen set up an account with her local grocery store's website. She was amazed by the wide selection of products, the ease of browsing through different categories, and the convenience of having groceries delivered to her doorstep. No more heavy bags to carry, no more navigating crowded aisles. Online shopping empowered Helen to maintain her independence, allowing her to shop for her groceries on her own terms, from the comfort of her home. She could take her time browsing, compare prices, and even discover new products, all at her own pace. What was once a source of stress had become an enjoyable and empowering experience. As we've explored throughout this video, technology offers incredible opportunities to enhance our health and well-being, especially as we age. From staying connected with loved ones to managing medications and tracking our fitness progress, the possibilities are truly limitless. Remember, you don't need to become a tech expert overnight. Start small, explore at your own pace, and, don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. There are countless resources available, from friendly tech support teams to patient family members and friends. Embracing technology is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier, more connected, and empowered you. As we conclude our tech journey, remember that technology is a powerful tool that can enrich your life in countless ways. It can connect you with loved ones, provide valuable health insights, and empower you to live more independently and confidently. So go ahead and explore the exciting world of technology. Download a health app, try a fitness tracker, or schedule a telemedicine appointment. You might be surprised at how easy, enjoyable, and empowering it can be. And remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. Share your tech experiences, ask questions, and let's continue this conversation together. Stay connected, stay healthy, and stay engaged. The future is bright.